this video, we are going to learn how to take the HBL report. For this, first we have to log into our Fresa software. Here, we have to select a job. Click on Report. Here, you have to search and select the HBL report. Open the report. The report will be displayed on the screen. You can download the report by selecting Download option. Using this email icon, you can directly send the report to the customer. Using Print option, you can take printout of the report. I hope you got an idea about how to take the HBL report. Thank you for watching.